saying number 120. Amir al-Momineen, peace be upon him, said, "In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful." Amir al-Momineen, peace be upon him, was asked about the Quraysh, when he replied, "As for Banu Makhzum, they are the blossoms of the Quraysh. It is delightful to talk to their men and to marry their women. As for Banu Abd Shams, they are far-sighted and cautious about all that is hidden from them. As for ourselves, Banu Hashim, we spend whatever we get and are very generous in offering ourselves in death. Consequently, those people are more numerous, more contriving and more ugly, while we are more eloquent, well-wishing and handsome."